Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a HyperDoc Agenda as a checklist and a place to access your resources and assignments for this week. So I've color-coded the hyperlinks, but I'm going to go ahead and explain it to you looking at the agenda for the week. So you'll notice that blue hyperlinks are videos in YouTube. So I have one for each of the daily agendas and a YouTube video that will explain how to complete our assignments for this week because they do look a little bit different than what we had been doing in previous weeks. The red are for Google Classroom assignments. So if you click on the hyperlink just with your left click of your mouse, it will bring up a box that will show you the web address that you are being taken to. So the red ones are for assignments. It will take you directly to the page in Google Classroom where you can see the instructions for the assignment, open up any materials, and where you can also turn them in. The green are websites and resources that are outside of Google Classroom. So for example, this one is Goodreads. So you can go ahead and click on it just like you did with the assignment up there. And you will be allowed to open up a new tab and it will take you to that website. So it will just have new things popping up and then you can close out when you're done and you will still have this agenda open. So once I have gone through and I have done these assignments and done these activities, I can go ahead and I can left click on the checkbox. But I want to do it one at a time because say I got the attendance question done, but I haven't quite done these yet. So once I left click once, I'm going to left click again. So only the box that I want to check off is highlighted blue. Then I'm going to right click with my mouse and this box is going to pop up and I'm going to change it to a check mark. Okay, so again the steps is the left click, so all of them are highlighted. Left click again, so only the one I want to change is highlighted. And then right click, so then I can access the arrow. That's a check mark. So I can go through with each assignment that I do and check it off every day. So, okay, I updated my Goodreads, so I'm going to click on it and check it off, okay? So that way, every day when you go in and you open up this hyperlink agenda, you will be able to keep your check mark, so they will keep going and they will stay there. And then by the end of the week, you can just check off any and everything that you do. So if you don't join our Zoom chat on Friday, then don't go ahead and worry about checking it off. If you don't join the vocab jam or if you don't work on vocabulary.com on Wednesday because you got it done on Tuesday, you don't have to check off the things that you don't do. This is just mostly checking off these things up here because these are things that you want to get done. And remember, these are optional. So whether or not you check them off is whether or not you do them. It's up to you. So this is just a way to help you keep organized because I know we won't be writing things down in our agenda, but this just gives you a physical list and a check of things that you can do to make sure that you're staying on track and keeping up with your assignments. All right, that is all there is to it. If you have any problems with this or you have any questions, you can go ahead and email me and I will get back to you as soon as is possible. As always, I hope you have a great rest of your day and I hope you get your assignments done rather easily. All right, goodbye.